Master the skill, finance like a pro. Did you know you can track your investments, analyze stocks, and stay ahead of market trends with just a few clicks? Google Finance is a game changer, but are you using it to its full potential? Let's dive in and find out. Google Finance isn't just another financial tool. It's your gateway to smarter investing. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, it's packed with features that make managing your portfolio and tracking the markets easier than ever. Let me show you how to master it. Here's the thing, most people don't realize how powerful Google Finance is because they get overwhelmed. The endless charts, unfamiliar terms, and flood of data can be intimidating. Many give up before they even explore its full potential. Another challenge? Tracking your investments in real time without getting distracted by irrelevant information. If you don't have a system, it's easy to miss key opportunities or get stuck analyzing outdated data. But here's the good news. Mastering Google Finance is simpler than you think. You just need to know where to look and how to use its features effectively. Let's break it down. First, portfolio tracking. With Google Finance, you can create a personalized portfolio to monitor your investments in real time. Add your stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds, and the tool will automatically update their performance. It's like having a dashboard for your financial future. Next, market insights. Google Finance provides instant access to major indices, commodities, and currency trends. You can compare stock performances side by side, dive into historical data, and even spot emerging market trends, all from one place. And don't forget the news aggregator. This feature brings you real-time updates from reliable financial news sources. No need to search multiple websites, it's all curated for you right there. Finally, one of my favorite features, custom watch lists. You can track stocks you're interested in, set up alerts for price changes, and make informed decisions at just the right time. Here's the secret sauce: setting up price alerts. Imagine this. You're watching a stock but waiting for the perfect moment to buy or sell. With Google Finance, you can set alerts for specific price points. The moment the stock hits your target, you get notified. And don't underestimate the power of chart comparisons. You can overlay multiple stocks to analyze trends and spot which ones are outperforming. This simple feature can help you identify game-changing investment opportunities. Google Finance isn't just a tool, it's your partner in smarter investing. With features like portfolio tracking, custom alerts, and market analysis, you'll have everything you need to make informed decisions and stay ahead of the game. The best part? It's all free and easy to use. Now it's your turn. Are you ready to master Google Finance? Share your experience in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my next video on advanced investment strategies to take your portfolio to the next level. Let's grow your wealth together.